So this is our today's problem. X minus 2 factorial is equals to 2 into x minus 4 factorial, and we have to find the value of x. Now we know that factorial n is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into continued to 1. Now we can also write factorial n is equals to n into n minus 1's factorial. And in turn, we can write this as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Now, from the given equation, we can write as x minus 2 factorial is equals to 2 into x minus 4 factorial, or x minus 2 factorial we can break down as x minus 2 into x minus 2 minus 1, just as we did for factorial n, into x minus 2 minus 2 factorial, which will be equal to 2 into x minus 4 factorial. Now x minus 2 will be there as it is. This will be x minus 2 minus 1 means x minus 3, and this will be x minus 2 minus 2, that is x minus 4 factorial, is equals to 2 into x minus 4 factorial. Now this term is common in both sides of the equation, so we can divide both the sides with x minus 4 factorial. So what we get is x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 factorial divided by x minus 4 factorial is equals to 2 into x minus 4 factorial divided by x minus 4 factorial. So here this will be cancelled out and this will also be cancelled out. So what remains is x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 2. Now we will multiply these two terms. So it will be x square minus 3 into x minus 2 into x plus 6 is equals to 2. Now we will get this 2 to the left hand side of the equation, and we will get x square minus, these two terms will be added, 5x plus 6 minus 2, that is 0. Or we can write this at x square minus 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. Further, we can factorize this as x square minus x minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0, and can take common x from the first two terms. X minus 1 will remain in the bracket, then we will take 4 common from the third and fourth terms, and x minus 1 will be inside the bracket. Now we take x minus 1 common, and inside it will be x minus 4 is equals to 0. So from this we get that x minus 1 equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 1, and x minus 4 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 4. Now going back to the equation given to us, if we put x is equals to 1 in this equation, then the first term becomes 1 minus 2, which is minus 1's factorial. So it will be an invalid number. Hence x's value cannot become 1. But if we put x is equal to 4 in this equation, then it becomes 4 minus 2, that is 2's factorial, is equals to 2 into 4 minus 4, that is 0 factorial. And we know that 0 factorial is equals to 1. So this is a valid equation for x is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.